Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Trin. If you guys don't know, I'm starting a new channel. I already started it and I did a Q&A. It is Baking with Jesus. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to change your ear things to light blue. So you tap on the settings over there and then you scroll down. You can do any color, black, green. I like green, it's look pretty. Blue. And the original color is the white. But right now, since my outfit's blue, I'm changing that, and you can do the same with the hat. Anyway, spawn your car, and then go to, and ignore my stuffy nose and my throat because I'm sick for like the last week. Anyway, so drive on over to the bank, and it's really laggy in this game right now. And if you guys press shift, you can like stop your car so fast for RoCitizens. And then take a right. And I'm going to show you guys you can do this. It's so laggy, so this is what I'm looking for. So then I had to do shift and it makes it stop fast. But anyway, go to Bank of RoCitizens, and if you go over here, it is so laggy, like it is so bad. So just ignore the driving. It's so bad. And then, okay, sorry. Go in, press F, and when you do this, you have to click so fast. So F, and you gotta click so fast, because get ready to click like really fast. And usually you have to click faster, but today it was working better. So you just do that over and over again. And then you invest. And then you reset your character. And not spawning your car, you just go to, do not spawn, just go to your car. Right here. And then you can go in. And then just do the same thing over and over again. And you have to go like really fast and have a mouse when you do this. Like, look how fast you have to go. It's like not really working right now. Usually I can go faster, but you can see my money down there. I'm just gaining up the money. And this bank glitch is really easy and it's really fun. So again, just spawn. No, don't spawn. Go to your car, and you can just do this over and over again, like until you want. Well, anyway, I'm doing my new channel. It is called Baking with Jesus. It is not going to be cheesy like this one, and I'm not gonna have it so bad, and I'm gonna have good videos. And now you can see down there how much money I have. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Remember, Jesus loves you.